That's an unfinished mod. Did you not get a spot to sit and eat?
I have
Oh.
You can't sit out here. I don't have a high chair.
Okay.
You sit inside.
Oh, I like this.
Okay.
You think that?
You want to just sit inside.
Or we could just eat when we leave. Is that what you're thinking? Or
Oh, jeez. Econ boost.
this must be Philip. Philip, Josh Parker. Nice to finally meet you in person. How you doing, sir?
No shit.
Yes, sir.
Glad to meet you, buddy.
Yeah, man. Good to see you. Just taking some footage real quick of all the cars.
I'm the only little one in the bunch, I guess.
Well, you got Zach's right here with the yellow one, and then I brought mine over here. The maroon one, ruby red. Gentlemen, fast guys. There's the fast guys. It's driving and running.
Is that the one they broke the training on?
I mean, it's still broke, but
The one the bell held broke?
yeah, it's still broke, but it's running and driving.
Well, at least the hole in the block is filled up.
That one's fixed. All 7 of them. How you guys doing? Yeah, this is the next purchase for me, I think, right here, GT350. I don't think the future is looking very good for old Scarlett. Might wind up with a ruby red one. Hey, boo, what's up, boo?
Josh has got the camera.
I see Brian's car, but I don't see Brian. There he is, I heard him. There he is. Boy, they'll let anybody out here. They'll let anybody out here. We got the Street Speed 717 mod here on this Fox body. Timeless.
As soon as it comes in, I'll give you a call. Yes, ma'am.
Did you see Brian's car was over here?
Yep, I don't see Brian.
He was right at the end of the bar. He was just getting, yeah.
What did Zach do with my diaper bag?
You had it all this
Well,
Where's my diaper bag? You're such a lucky boss. How do you know?
looks like the springs settled pretty good. Look at that.
Yeah.
They settled all right, huh? He should be happy with that.
Should have went sport lines.
He should have probably. Woo! That scare her? Woo! Did that scare the baby? Did that scare the baby? It's all good, baby. You'll get used to it. Jackson was exposed to it much sooner than she's been. Mr. Brian, how you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
I got some V6 gentlemen that want to learn all sorts of stuff about your car. We were just educating them. They're down here. They got the silver and the white one.
Yeah.
So
I saw them earlier.
told them about, you know, the stuff that we've done to your car was the extent of what I've done on the V6s. So I don't have a ton of experience.
I thought you weren't coming out, man.
You already halfway here.
And this is pretty cool. Oscar's got an entire book of building his car. It's pretty wicked cool. Do you have a Mustang?
I'm working on it.
Yeah. Which one you like? You like the V8s? I heard you laughing at the 4-cylinder. You like the V8?
Yes, I do.
Yep.
I'm a speed freak.
What's that, dude? What's that, dude? He said, Daddy, this isn't cool. Show me some cool cars.
I remember.
Oh, look at here.
It's in my garage. I should so jump so slow.
I think he's earned the right to say that. I run a 305, but it's on a 10-inch wide wheel.
I got stock runs for 9
I think you can go like 265. I think 265 is the biggest that you can go on those. Yeah, on the rear. Yep. Don't let this car fool you by its cheapest looks. Those 10 holes aren't factory width, and it's not Ford powered, and it's not slow. Old Scarlett's out today. First time out and about at a Pony Up event since putting back together. Happy to have her back on the road. Just leaving Biff Burger for Mustang Monday. Just taking a minute to soak in that beautiful sunset over there. We're gonna head up to the LVC meet with Zach and Ella. And in the background there you got Brian with the Cyclone, also known as Arsenal. We got the family unit with us. The baby's in the back, taking down a bottle. And we'll see you at the next meet.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.